the script that is there in the unconscious is formed below the age of 6 years. The way that our parents have brought us up, typically that's the style that is there in us. We have registered that. Now, even if we think that we are not happy with it, and if we try to do maybe exactly opposite, or try to find another way, another style, and we try to parent our child with that style, it doesn't really work out in these moments of stress. These moments of stress, of course, which come unannounced, what comes out is what is there in our unconscious. So what really it means is that if we have to change anything, this change cannot be just skin deep. This change has to really be deep. What we need to do is we need to become really aware of what is deeper there in ourselves. Somebody said, don't worry if your children are not listening to you. Worry about what you are being in front of your children.